guys, it's Naya. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome cousin. How are you? Here on my channel, we do whatever we want over here. Okay. Today's video, I'll be showing you guys this closure wig from Asteria hair. And girl, I'm obsessed. Honestly, I'm obsessed. And I think this is like a piano kind of thing. If you guys are interested in seeing how I installed this wig, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So right now, I'm just unboxing a wig, and this contraption came with it. I don't know what it is, but I think it's to curl the hair around it. But anyway, so now time for the actual unboxing. So the box was stuck with tape, so just keep that in mind. So inside the box comes the hair, some goodies. So we got an edge brush, some lashes, some scarf. I don't know what this is used for, an edge band. Oh, I'm going too fast. Oh, y'all saw what it was. But anyway, we don't need the box because it came with a bag. So let's get into this wig. So y'all see that it is a 5x5 closure, but it also comes with adjustable straps and combs for extra security. Now off the bat, this hair was super soft, and I love the density and how thick, not necessarily thick, but how dense I guess the hair was. Like, it wasn't thin basically. So we're gonna take off this bonnet and we're gonna put on this wig. So for closure wigs, I actually like them as far as maintenance better, because literally you just pluck through baby hairs and put the wig on. You don't gotta glue it down or anything. So that's exactly what we're gonna do today. Honestly, if I had just cut the lace, we would have been perfectly fine. So I plucked one side, but I didn't pluck this side. So y'all see, that's yeah. So oh wait, yeah, I don't know. Basically, I plucked it. Okay, so this is the wig fully plucked, and now I'm just gonna start cutting off this lace. And you want to go in and make sure you cut off that white part on both sides. So my goal when it comes to closures is to try to make it look as much as a frontal as possible. So that's good. That's what I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna start by hot combing this hair back, just to give it that effect. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to look like a witch with it coming down straight to the front of my head. Anyways, I'm going in with my edge control. This is this brand is Extreme, like with an X and Treem, and I'm just pulling down my baby hairs, curving it, and then cutting off what I don't need. And I'm going to do that on both sides as well as in the middle, I guess. You know, might as well.
I just love it again. Don't wanna talk too further. Wanna know where you are. You wanna do it again. Blood in the air. I don't wanna see where you fell. I wanna lose it.
The wig came with this thing. Put it here and you curl your head. So I'm gonna try and do that. Except like it didn't come with something for me to hold it down. I'm gonna make it work. So they say, hold on, let me put my hair in half. My dog is always be trying to take my spotlight. So you put this here, and then I guess you take your hair and you, I guess, go like that. And they come with a scrunchie. Is this like a flexi round? No, it's not. Okay. So come with a scrunchie, and then I guess you just take this in. Boom. Take the other side and do the same thing. Why this one's so high and this one's so low? Okay. Right? So I'm pretty sure the whole purpose of this thing is to not use heat, but we're just going to mind our business. So as I was doing this, I was, feeling it, and it was really hot. So I'm like, okay, time to take it off. I mean, I feel like I've been blow drying it for quite some time. So I'm going to take it out. And honestly, if it's not curled the way I thought it was gonna be, then honestly, then at least we tried it. So I'm gonna do this side first. I'm I'm gonna be so sad if it's not curled, at least a little bit though. Oh. I really wanted this to work though. That's why I'm sad, but whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Also, I'm curious, do you guys like this kind of highlight better, or do you guys like the highlights that you see all over my channel where it's like brown with honey blonde highlights? Let me know which one is your favorite. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My Instagram is down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.